Hello everyone, welcome to the sessions of computational mathematics. In this session we are going to discuss about set, subset, Venn diagram along with the examples. Let us define a set. A set is an unordered collection of distinct objects. The objects of the set are called as elements of the set. It is usually denoted by a capital letter and the element of the set is denoted by a small letter. A set may be described by listing all of its elements enclosed within a pair of braces. If we take the example, here we can see the example, that is set of colors in a rainbow. So we have 7 colors in our rainbow. Those colors will make a set for us. Similarly, you can take the letters that are present in your name as a set. So these are the example for our set. How to represent a set? Here we can represent our set in 3 forms. One is statement form, row star or tabular form. Another one is set builder form. In a statement form, our set is defined as, or it is represented as, a well-defined description of the elements of the sets. Example, the set of all even numbers that are less than 10. This is the example to our statement form. Next is roster or tabular form. In this representation, the elements are listed within the pair of brackets or braces and they are separated by commas. Example, if we take the previous example, that is the set of all even numbers less than 10, here we represent that set as 2, 4, 6 and 8. So these are the elements which form the set of all the even numbers that are less than 10. Next is set builder form. In our set builder form, the set is described by a property that its member or elements must satisfy. Example, we can see our example that how can we write our or represent our set in a set builder form. Here we can see within the braces we have x, that is our set element, such that we are describing the property that element should satisfy. X is even number which is divisible by 6 and less than 100. If you see another example, x such that x is natural number less than 10. So here for our second set we have the elements that are less than 10 from our natural number set. This is how we represent our set in a set builder form. Next is subset. A subset is a set of another set if and only if every element of set is also a part of the other set. If we look at the example, here in our B we have 5 elements and in our set A we have 2 elements. Here we can say that A is subset of B because the elements that are present in A are the elements from our set B. So we can say that A is the subset of B. Next, Venn diagram. Venn diagram was introduced by John Venn in 1880. It is a diagrammatic representation which shows all possible relations between a finite collection of 2 or more sets. It is also called as primary diagram, set diagram or logic diagram. Venn diagrams normally comprise overlapping circles. The common elements among the sets are represented in overlapped area. If we see the example for Venn diagram, here we have three sets A, B and C. Each are represented by a circle. This is our set A, this is our set B and this is our set C. Here in set A and set B, B is common, 1 is common, so it is represented in overlapped area, and 2 and 5 are belongs to only A, so that's why here it is represented in this area. Next 6, that is represented in non-overlapped area, and in C we have 4 and 7. Here we don't have common elements for C and with other sets, so our 4 and 7 of set C are represented in non-overlapped area. This is how we can represent the logical relationship between the two or more sets using Venn diagram. So in this session we discussed set, definition of set, representation of set along with the example, and subset along with the example, and Venn diagram with an example. Thank you.